Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I'm going to be showing you how I made this gorgeous Dinky Doctors bag. And it is using the Simply Made Crafts Dinky Doctors bag die set. The products that we're using today is the Dinky Doctors bag die set, Dinky Bows and Blooms die set, the Dinky Decorative Fittings die set, and the gorgeous quilted A5 embossing folder. The main die, which is this one here, you need to die cut that out twice. Okay, so I have done that already. Then for the side panels, you need to die cut 2 of these, and then that's what they look like. And then for the embossing bit on the bag, I die cut out this section from the Doctor's die set, and I die cut that out twice in mirrored card, and then this section twice in mirror card, and I ran my mirror card through the quilted embossing folder. And for the decorative bits, I have got my handle here. So this is this one here, and this is from the Dinky Decorative Fittings die set, so it's this one here. Okay, and I've also die cut this clip out from that die set, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use that yet or not, but I wanted to have that just in case. Then for my straps, I die cut 2 from this die here, and 2 of these like fastenings from this die here. Then for the straps to go around my bag that goes with this, I actually die cut them out with what would be the handle of the bag, so it's this one here. So I've die cut 2 of them. Then for the decoration on the front, I've die cut the zip in mirrored card and back that onto some pink card, and then I die cut the zip on from this die as well. And then this bit, I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to have this or if I'm going to have a tag using the clip there, but the tag again is from the Dinky Decorative Fittings. Okay, so now I've showed you which parts of the die I've used. We're going to start assembling our bag together. So we're going to start with these 2 pieces here. So on both of them, we're going to have one side that has this small section here, and then you've got this bigger section there. This bigger one you're going to fold over like so, and then this one you're going to leave it as it is, because these 2 smaller ends are going to attach to one another like that. I did adhesive on one side of here. Okay, and I'm going to peel that off, and then I'm going to line it up with that other part on the other side, and then I'm going to join them together. So you'll see here we have these score lines here. You're going to fold them back on themselves, so they'll go like that. Okay, and then you have these tabs here. We're going to fold them over like so. Okay, so if you can see, they should look like that. Okay, and then these sections here, you're going to fold them over like that. Okay, then you're going to add adhesive to these tabs here by peeling this bottom one off first. Look, try and get this central with that join. I'm going to just line that up on there. Okay, and then press that down. And again, we're going to take the backing off on there. What we're going to do is we're going to add glue to, well, it would probably be actually easier to add the glue on here, just where the curved bit will be. Okay, and then we can peel off the backing on this piece here. I'm going to glue these tabs to this piece here, and then we're going to glue that on to there like so. Again, we're going to peel off the backing, so add some glue on the inside here for our little tabs to be stuck down, and then we're going to wrap that around. Okay, so that's that side done, and we're going to repeat the same with this. Again, add your glue on the inside, so these small tabs will glue in on there, and add your adhesive onto these sections and glue that together the same way. And there we go. How pretty does that look, especially with the embossing folder? And then these will fold in like so, and you'll see that it will want to resist. It will want to go that way or that way. Just persevere with it and it will all fall into place. Okay, so then these sections here will fold in like that, and we will add a magnet or some Velcro to keep that closed. But how gorgeous does that look? Cute. Okay, so I went ahead and added the decorations. So we've got the zipper part on the front, and I decided to add the tag. Now the only thing is, I wish I'd put the handle on the front here, because when I hang my tag on my handle, obviously it gets caught when I open the bag, but it's not a big of a deal. Because as it's just my sample, then that's fine, but next time I make this project I'll add the handle at the front. So I've just added the tag here, and the flower and the word is actually from the Dinky Bows and Blooms die set. So I've got this flower here and then the love word there, and there we go. I think it is absolutely adorable. Enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, and go and check out some other videos on my channel as well. So take care guys, see you soon. Bye for now.